What's going on YouTube? Today we are going to learn how to play Paradise featuring NSYNC off of Justin Timberlake's album that just came out. And here is a little preview of what it's going to sound like. And so for this song, you're gonna need a capo on the 3rd fret, and there's gonna be 4 chords throughout the entire song. Everything that I teach is relative to the capo, and the 4 chords that you need to know is E minor 7, A minor 7, F major 7, and C major 7. And this is how you play the chords. Okay guys, so the first chord is an E minor 7. This one is really easy. We're gonna put our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. The second chord is an A minor 7, so we're going to put our finger on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Third chord is an F major 7. We're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string, 2nd fret of the G string, and 3rd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. And the final chord is a C major 7. So we're gonna put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the D and the 3rd fret of the A, and it's gonna sound like this. Okay, and so those are the only 4 chords that you're gonna need to know. And in terms of the strumming pattern, what I'm doing is down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So again, a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, then we play that for the entire progression. So. So it's gonna be like that throughout 90% of the song. There's a point in the song at around the 2-minute and 50-second mark where the chords kind of change up. So what I do at that point is I just play this chord progression backwards. So I go from C major 7 to F major 7 to A minor 7 and then to E minor 7. Okay, and I believe that you'll just play that progression backwards twice, and then you'll go back into the normal progression. Okay, so that is how you play the song. All right guys, I appreciate you watching this one. Hopefully it helped you out and added value to you. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and share it with somebody that you think would want to learn this song. And while you're here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want more videos and content like this. In fact, you're gonna see some of my videos pop up on the screen shortly. Please feel free to go ahead and check out some of my other tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next video.